رمضان يا رمضان يا نفحة الرحمن، رمضان يا رمضان شهر جود وغفران، رمضان يا رمضان يا نفحة الرحمن، رمضان يا رمضان شهر جود وغفران.
بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد، أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا كتب عليكم الصيام كما كتب على الذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. My dear brothers and sisters, I welcome all of you with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, blessing and mercy of Allah be on all of you. I again welcome you to our fourth episode of the Ramadan series with Ustaadhy. In this episode, we are going to discuss about the ruling on the fast of elderly people. The very elderly people who have lost their strength and are getting weaker every day do not have to fast, as long as fasting is difficult for them. And the basis for this is the ayah وَعَلَى الَّذِينَ يُطِيقُونَهُ فِدْيَةٌ طَعَامُ مِسْكِينٍ. And as for those who can fast with difficulty, they have a choice, either to fast or to feed a poor person. This has not been abrogated. It refers to the old man and the old woman who cannot fast, so they should feed a poor person for every day. Those who have become senile and confused do not have to fast or to do anything else. Their families does not have to do anything else on their behalf either. Such people are no longer counted as responsible. But if they are of sound mind sometimes and confused other times, they have to fast when they are sound, and they don't have to fast when they are confused. As for those who are fighting an enemy or being besieged by them, are allowed to break their fast if it might make them too weak to fight, even if they are not traveling. If they need to break their fast before going fight, they may do so, because the Prophet ﷺ one day said to his companions, "In the morning you are going to meet your enemy, and fasting will make you weak, will make you more stronger, so do not fast." If a person's reason for not fasting is obvious, such as illness or a traveler, someone who is traveling, there is nothing wrong with him eating or drinking openly or in a public. But if the reason is hidden, such as menstruation, then it is better to eat and drink secretly, so as not to attract accusations and alike. Thank you for watching our series. We really appreciate for your sacrifice, a part of your time, and we shall continue from that point in this month of Ramadan. May Allah guide us and may Allah accept our deeds. Please, may you subscribe to this channel, and may you be a part of the mission to spread the deen. وآخر دعوانا والحمد لله رب العالمين.
رمضان يا رمضان يا نفحة الرحمن، رمضان يا رمضان شهر جود وغفران.